If your GMC Acadia infotainment screen starts freezing, losing audio, or showing navigation errors, you're not alone. Like any built-in computer, the system can experience temporary glitches or software conflicts. The good news is most problems can be resolved with a simple reset before heading to the dealership. Newer Acadia models even support over-the-air updates, which means some issues can be fixed automatically. Important steps. 1. Start with a soft reboot by pressing and holding the power button on the infotainment screen for 5 to 10 seconds until the system restarts. 2. If the issue continues, check for available software updates through the infotainment settings or the MyGMC app. 3. For older models, go to Settings, then System, and select Factory Reset to restore default settings. 4. Remember that a factory reset will erase saved phones, presets, and personal preferences. 5. Inspect USB ports and connections if you're experiencing audio or CarPlay issues. 6. If problems persist, contact a certified GMC dealer, especially for 2021 and newer Android-based systems that may require secure reprogramming.